Question 1. What is the official residence of the Indian Prime Minister? Correct answer is C. 7. Lok Kalyan Road. Question 2. Golden Handshake scheme in India is related with. Correct answer is A. Voluntary retirement. Question 3. The Golden Quadrilateral connects which of the following cities? Correct answer is D. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. Question 4. The Reserve Bank has introduced banknotes in the Mahatma Gandhi series since. Correct answer is A. 1996. Question 5. Which plateau is also known as Heart of Industrial India? Correct answer is C. Chota Nagpur. Question 6. The official duration of the national anthem of India is. Correct answer is B. 52 seconds. Question 7. Ayushman Bharat program is related to which sector? Correct answer is D. Healthcare. Question 8. With which of these cards the phrase Aam Aadmi Ka Adhikar is associated? Correct answer is C. Aadhaar card. Question 9. Officially, Indian Republic Day celebration continues for a duration of. Correct answer is D. 4-day. Question 10. What is the new name of old Parliament building? Correct answer is A. Samvidhan Sadan. Question 11. Arundhati Roy was the first Indian to win a Booker Prize. She won for the book. Correct answer is D. The God of Small Things. Question 12. The India Gate was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who were killed during. Correct answer is B. World War I. Question 13. Who was the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award? Correct answer is C. S. Radhakrishnan. Question 14. Which Indian organization uses the artificial intelligence chatbot, Ask Disha, for its customer? Correct answer is B. Indian Railway. Question 15. Smart Cities Mission is an initiative of which union ministry? Correct answer is A. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Question 16. Good Governance Day is observed to mark the birthday of. Correct answer is A. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question 17. Which Indian state's tagline is Heart of Incredible India? Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Question 18. Who designed the Aadhaar logo? Correct answer is A. Atul S. Pandey. Question 19. Whose signature is on 1 rupee note? Correct answer is B. Finance Secretary. Question 20. When was the electronic voting machine, EVM, first used in India? Correct answer is A. 1982. Question 21. Which cities are known as the Golden Triangle of Indian tourism? Correct answer is A. Delhi, Jaipur and Agra. Question 22. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Correct answer is C. Tessie Thomas. Question 23. In which of these countries were the first Asian Games 1951 held? Correct answer is A. New Delhi, India. Question 24. Which state in India was the first to introduce the midday meal scheme for school children? Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 25. The symbol of the Indian rupee was designed by. Correct answer is A.D. Udayakumar. Question 26. Which state is officially declared as the first digital state of India? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 27. The total number of digits in UIDAI Aadhaar is. Correct answer is C. 12. Question 28. Which is the first movie made in India? Correct answer B. Raja Harishchandra. Question 29. The notar option was first used in the elections in. Correct answer is C. 2013. Question 30. Which is the longest national highway of India? Correct answer is D. National Highway 44. Question 31. In which year, the railway budget was separated from the central budget? Correct answer is A. 1924. Question 32. The agency in India that is authorized to maintain Indian Standard Time, IST, is. Correct answer is D. National Physical Laboratory. Question 33. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, MNREGP, was introduced in. Correct answer is B. 2005. Question 34. When the postal index number, PIN, was first introduced in India? Correct answer is D. 1972. Question 35. What is the animal on the insignia of the RBI? Correct answer is B. Tiger. Question 36. What is the nickname of the LNDN cricket team? Correct answer is C. The Men in Blue. Question 37. When was Make in India launched by Government of India? Correct answer is B. The 25th of September 2014. Question 38. Which organization prepares the topographical maps of India? Correct answer is C. Survey of India. Question 39. The first railway line of India was operationalized in 1853 between. Correct answer is B. Bombay and Thane. Question 40. In India, the first television program was broadcasted in. Correct answer is A. 1959. Question 41. World's first Hindi-speaking robot. Correct answer is B. Rashmi. Question 42. Swachh Bharat Mission, rural program comes under which ministry? Correct answer is B. Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Question 43. In India, employment statistics survey are collected by. Correct answer is A. National Sample Survey Organization. Question 44. In which Veda, details about music is mentioned? Correct answer is D. Samaveda. Question 45. Which city is known as the gateway to northeast of India or Chicken's Neck that connects northeastern states with the rest of the country? Correct answer is B. Siliguri. Question 46. The words Satyameva Jayate on the state emblem has been taken from which Upanishad? Correct answer is B. Mundaka. Question 47. Indian opposition parties form alliance called INDIA. Full form of India is. Correct answer is A. Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. Question 48. Rabindranath Tagore, first non-European, won Nobel Prize in 1913 for the book. Correct answer is D. Geetanjali. Question 49. Which port is called Queen of Arabian Sea? Correct answer is A. Kochi. Question 50. World's first granite temple was built in India. Find the which one. Correct answer is A. Brihadishwara Temple. Question 51. Which wildlife sanctuary declared as first national park in India? Correct answer is D. Jim Corbett National Park. Question 52. What was the code name of the first nuclear tests conducted by India on the 18th of May 1974 in Pokhran, Rajasthan? Correct answer is C. Smiling Buddha. Question 53. Which agreement signed at the end of India-Pakistan War of 1971? Correct answer is A. Shimla Agreement. Question 54. Which fort is also known as the Golden Fort in India? Correct answer is D. Jaisalmer Fort.